here with another unboxing video today. I'm really excited because I'm going to be showing you guys the contents of my March box. That is my third subscription box that I've sent out since I've started this subscription service. So I'm really excited. A huge shout out to everyone who is already subscribed. Thank you guys so much, and I hope that you are enjoying your subscription so far. So if you guys are not familiar with my subscription box, girl, you are late. You must be living under a rock, okay? But I am going to link all of my unboxing videos just to kind of give you guys an idea about what my subscription box is all about. But just to be really brief, it is a beauty and lifestyle box. It is curated and designed by me, and it ships every other month. My subscription is $39.99 per box, and shipping is free. And if you've been thinking about subscribing and you'd like to give it a try, I'm going to include a link below for you. I have opened up my window for new subscribers. It will be open until April 13th, so I will include the link below in the description box so that you can check it out. So before we get started with what's in the box, I just want to cover two things with you guys because I know you're going to ask, and that is this lip color and my fingernail polish color. I am wearing a couple of layers. You guys know that brown girls can't just put on a lip gloss and just have it look like this. There has to be a couple layers involved. So I started off with this lip liner. It's from Makeup Forever in the color 3C. And this is my base. And then right on top of that, I tried a new lip gloss by Buxom. It's their Plump collection, which is just a really shiny lip gloss collection, and it's in the color Honeydew. And then just right on top, I finished it with my MAC lip gloss. And then on my nails, I'm wearing some new colors that I discovered, you guys, and I'm absolutely in love with. I have 3 of these colors so far, and that's not nearly enough. This is a fingernail polish by Elle and Mila. It's a vegan, cruelty-free, no paraben, no toxin type of nail polish. It is super, super cute on. Like, it's the perfect coverage, the perfect shine, the perfect finish. I really love this stuff. This is the color Little Plum Dress, and I'll put the details to these products in my description box. So here is my March Faves box, you guys. I'm so excited about this one. It is in the color Antique Gold because I wanted this particular box to be golden, and I have my reasons. Once we open it, you guys will start to see, but the theme for this box was really just about pampering yourself and treating yourself for no reason at all. I feel like as women, we always have to find a reason to do something nice for ourselves, but this box was just a reminder that you do not need a reason. So I made sure that we included a lot of items in here that would delight you guys, and I hope that you are enjoying your box. Also, this box is a lot smaller than my other ones, and it's very lightweight because we didn't include any hair products in this month's shipment. And I did that on purpose because I wanted to take a little bit of a different direction. The last 2 boxes we had hair products, but I wanted to take a break for this box because I'm pretty sure you guys have enough to work with for now. So let's go ahead and dig right in. So I'm just going to open the box like this, and then we're going to dive into the contents. So the first thing that you see when you open the box is the envelope. I love these envelopes, and it actually smells really good. It must be from one of the products in here that's making it smell so good. But anyway, I'm going to pull out what we have in here. So I'm really excited about the inserts this time, so I'm gonna go ahead and show them to you guys because I'm featured on one of them. So this is the cool picture of me that is on the thank you and welcome card. And this is just a cool picture of me that I took of myself with my self timer on my camera. So I hope you guys enjoy getting a big old 5x7 of me. I really love this particular insert this time though, you guys, because right at the top, it says living my life like it's golden, which is basically the theme of this box. So I really love how that came out. And then of course you get the product description card front and back here. And it's just basically a layout of everything that's in the box, a description of the product so that you guys have like the correct name and things if you want to go and purchase the items, and then just some quick descriptions written by me. So it's very personalized, so I'll let you guys read through that. I want every box to pretty much like have the Miss Vaughn touch. Like, I want it to be very personable, and I want to position everything as though I'm talking directly to you guys, as though I'm sitting in your bedroom opening the box with you. So that's kind of the vibe I go for. So you'll find that when you're reading through those descriptions, they're very informal, very laid back. So that's kind of done on purpose. So I'm going to tear through the tissue paper and the sticker here, and I'm just going to start pulling stuff out. Ooh, okay, so the first thing that I'm going to pull out is probably the thing that's making everything smell good in the box, and that is the Spongel sponge in the flavor or the fragrance Honey Blossom, which is super, super comforting and fragrant and just makes your skin just smell so good. This smells so good, you guys. Like, geez Louise. As you're using it, it makes your whole bathroom smell really good. Like, this stuff is not a game at all when it comes to the fragrance that it gives off. And this particular one is for 14+ uses, but I have mine and I've used dozens of times. So it definitely lasts a lot longer than promised. But this is something that's really good for like you to use in the bath or in the shower. It is a sponge that is filled with the body wash and the cleansing agents and the fragrance already. So you do not need to use a body wash with this at all. It is built into the sponge. So it's formulated in such a way where it's going to give you continuous uses just off of this one sponge with no need to use a body wash. So I find that to be really unique and cool, and it's actually a really good product. Like, it smells good, it works well. I love the texture of the sponge on my skin. It's so soft and luxurious. This is definitely something that you want to use to treat yourself for a nice bubble bath. And I think these are also really nice as gifts. I would love if someone got me something like this. You guys, these SpongeO products blew me away. I've tried a lot of different ones, a lot of different shaped sponges, and the little Blossom one was one of my favorites, so I wanted to include it in this box. I had to. I'm like, you guys are gonna love this. Okay, I'm gonna pull out my Coola makeup setting spray. So I wanted you guys to have some beauty products in this box without going too overboard. So I wanted to introduce the concept of beauty products with something that can work for any skin tone and just something to add to you guys' beauty regimen. First of all, this makeup setting spray is a really high quality item. I've seen products like this in some pretty high-end stores. I would put this in the category of high-end skincare. It's made with green tea and aloe, and it's a broad spectrum SPF 30, and it's pretty much made of products that make this an organic skincare product. So I use this product to set my makeup. So when I've done my full face, I like to spray it on right when I'm done. But I also like to use this before I apply my makeup. So right after I apply my moisturizer. I feel like it works well in both instances, and sometimes to get longer wear out of my makeup, I'll use it both ways. So next I'm going to pull out an accessory for you guys that I think you're going to love. That is this Robin Rhodes fuzzy keychain. Now, I don't know if you guys have noticed before, like if you follow me on Instagram or anything like that, but I'm always carrying like a little fuzzy keychain on my bags. I carry some pretty cool canvas leather accessory type of bags, and I love having like that little fluffy furry contrast because I feel like it really makes the bag have its own unique appeal, and it also to me just gives it like a cute little girly touch and makes the leather look even more expensive. I don't know, that's just how I feel about these fuzzy keychains. So I want you guys to try one. You each got a different color, so I chose from a spread of pastels, which I think are super cute on any kind of leather bag or even vinyl bags or canvas bags or whatever. As long as the texture contrasts, I think it'll be really cute. So you each got a different color, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the one that I got. So your little fuzzy keychains came in these nice organza bags, and you get this cute little info card with it which just explains a little bit about the product and the company. And the keychain has this cute little hook here so that you can attach it onto any piece of your bag. I usually just hang mine right on the hook of my strap, but if you have hardware that's specifically designed to hang keychains, even better. And then there's an actual keychain attachment if you want to hang this off of your key ring, or if you just want a different option for attaching it to your bag. The color that I got randomly, right, is just this cute kind of mauvey pink one. I really love these. It's just such a cute little poof, and I think this brand is a great alternative for the really expensive furry keychains that you can get. I'm sure you guys have seen those. So this is a lip butter. It's by the company Elovi. Flavor that you get for this one is key lime, which I selected specifically for you guys because I really wanted you to try something that reminded you of a very delicious dessert because I wanted it to smell good and feel good when you were putting it on and just kind of be reminiscent of a very decadent treat. And since the lips are so close to the nose, I definitely wanted it to have something with a really good fragrance. So I wanted you guys to try this. So I actually used this lip butter today on my lips because I am a huge fan of moisturized lips, and I never apply any lip glosses or lip sticks until my lips are fully moisturized. And another thing I like about this lip butter is that it's made with only 6 ingredients. So it's super natural and minimalist, and it's actually good for your lips. It's not just for the aesthetic. It's actually something that's not going to be harmful to your skin, but also really good for your skin. If you guys are interested in the Elobi Key Lime Lip Butter, make sure that you do check my description box for a direct link. Next, I'm going to pull out some sweet treats, and I'm super excited about these, you guys. It is these Laughing Giraffe Organics Snackaroons. I was giving these guys a try to try and figure out which ones to include in this box for you guys, and I was having such a difficult time choosing between these two in particular that I was like, all right, we just gotta do both. I cannot tell you which one is my favorite between the lemon and the chocolate, like I have no clue, but they're both just so delicious. So these are grab and go coconut snacks that you can feel confident feeding to your whole family, from toddlers to small children to your husband. Everyone's going to love and enjoy these. I mean, these snacks are completely guilt-free, you guys. Everything from organic to being gluten-free to being raw vegan to being certified non-GMO. I mean, you get it all with these snacks. You can eat as many of them as you like. You don't have to feel any sort of guilt. I mean, you can seriously pronounce all of the ingredients. And when was the last time you were able to do that with one of your snacks? So I wanted to include these in this box because I want you guys to be able to treat yourselves. So I would recommend that when you're taking your awesome bath with your sponge gel product, that you pop one of these in and just light a candle and just enjoy your evening. So I would highly recommend that you guys get the full-size versions of these. I definitely wanted you to give them a try, but I would highly recommend you guys go out and get these because you are not going to regret it. You're going to love them. All right, I see that there is another cute little organza bag, but in this one, it's a bracelet. Oh wow, this is super cute. So this is a gold woven Lulu and Dharma bracelet. You guys, this bracelet is super cute. It's another one of those adjustable bracelets, which I love to include in my subscription boxes, and you'll notice this isn't the first time you've seen an adjustable bracelet, but it's something that anyone can fit. So it adjusts to any wrist size. So I think that that plays it pretty safe with making sure that it can fit any one of your wrist sizes out there. But I definitely don't want to not include some type of accessories like this because I just love them and they are genuinely a favorite, and so they belong in my subscription boxes. So with this bracelet, I think it's super fun because not only does it have the gold metallic hardware, but it also has the cloth braided material, which is a great contrast. I love contrasting textures and finishes and different things when it comes to styling yourself because it really makes things look expensive, and I just think it really adds a really nice touch to your look. So these bracelets are actually hand woven and fit really good on your wrist along with any of your other wristwear, so it looks good against other bracelets, your watch, you name it. So this bracelet actually is made of 18 karat gold plated beads, so it's going to give you that really shiny finish and sparkle when the light hits it, and it's gonna look really good up against that fabric. So I love this bracelet, you guys, and I hope you all enjoy it. And if you guys are interested in purchasing this gold woven Lulu Dharma bracelet, make sure you check the description box because I have a direct link down there for you guys. So now that I have my bracelet on, I'm just gonna move on and see what else we have down in the box. Okay, so this is the last set of items in here. So you guys got 3 of these Yes To Cucumber Soothing Calming Paper Masks. And these are new to Yes To, right? So these are the cucumber ones. I wanted you guys to have 3 because I felt like 1 would not be enough to really get a feel for the product. And 2 would be good, but I mean, 3's company. So I really have been loving the face masks lately, guys. And you guys have probably noticed from looking at a couple of my recent videos. It's just one of those things where I feel like it's such a compliment to your facial cleansing and care regimen. It's very soothing, and it's one of those things where you don't really have to do anything. You put the mask on and you just kind of let it work, and you don't have to like scrub anything or remove anything or wipe anything off or let anything dry. You take it off when you're done and you can dispose of it. And so I wanted you guys to have 3 of the treatments so that you could really give it a try. And this is another one of the items that you can use in your bath. I definitely want you guys to try one of these along with that experience. And let the ingredients just kind of work their way in. I mean, you're getting that good cucumber. It also contains aloe, leaf juice. It contains glycerin, which is really good for your skin in terms of retaining moisture. So you definitely want to take advantage of a product that contains so many delicious, awesome ingredients. So that is everything for this month's subscription box, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. I was really excited about this particular box. I feel like all the boxes will be different as we incorporate more of the lifestyle component. The boxes are only so big, so we can only fit so many inside. So definitely stay tuned for my May box. I am extremely excited about that one. It's going to be similar in the sense that there's going to be a lot more beauty and lifestyle, but it's going to be a huge box. and I love the way it looks. It's a lavender purple and it's really a lot more spring inspired. So I would highly recommend you guys to sign up for it. If you've already signed up for my subscription service, then you don't need to do anything. Your mailbox is going to be on the way. But if you have not signed up yet, now's your chance. You do have until April 13th to sign up before I cut it off, because I gotta get a head count so that I can get the right amount of products and everything like that. So we do have to cut it off at a certain time, but you do have time if you go right now. So thank you guys so much for watching my unboxing video. I hope that you did enjoy, and stay tuned for the next one. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.
Yo, one glass of Patron to smash in its own, and I dash right back to the pad where I zone. Got a stash collection, double packs that I